Super soft, tapos super soft, super floppy. Floppy. So yeah, that's really good. That's really good. Now I got some stuff from Creams. Now I got some stuff from Hi guys, this is rhaze. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing a haul for you guys. Kaka-upload ko lang ng haul, tapos ngayon haul na naman. Pero okay lang yan. I know most of you guys like watching hauls just like me. I love watching hauls. Lahat ng ipapakita ko sa inyo ngayon is bigay lang sa akin. So, pinadalhan ako ni Charlene from Prettyangelshoppe. Tapos, merong mga jewelries from Kimscollections2015 on Instagram. Tapos, may isang napakabait na viewer na nag-send sa akin ng gift. I will start with the stuff that I got from Prettyangelshoppe. Okay, first thing in here is this Epsa Organic Brown Rice Moisture Conditioner. Sabi niya it goes with the shampoo, but hindi niya ako pinadalhan ng shampoo because she knows me really well. Hindi kasi ako gumagamit ng shampoo. I used this for the first time yesterday and you guys, I love it. No etchos. Lahat ng pinapadala sa akin ni Shirley na treatment and this time conditioner, as in sobrang nag-work talaga sa buhok ko. As in, hindi ko winash yung buhok ko today kasi I wash my hair once every 2 days lang. Ewan ko, sobrang ganda niya sa buhok. And also, this smells really good. May similarity siya sa amoy ng Verdon ko, but stronger. I super duper like it. Hindi ko alam kung magkano to. I will need to check her shop and I will leave the prices and the product information below. Second one she sent me is this bad boy right here. This is a brush from Moonkini and look at the packaging though. It's so freaking cute. Meron siyang sariling lalagyan and the actual brush looks like this. Oh my gosh, you guys. Another matabang brush. Sinaspoil ako ni Charlene sa mga matatabang brush eh. This is a powder brush. I've used this as well already. And it's just a perfect powder brush. Super soft, super fluffy. Tapos basta perfect lang siya pang powder brush. Meron pa siya sariling brush guard niya. O diba, bongga. And then she also sent me this LA Girl Matte Flat Finish Pigment Gloss. I have mine in the shade Timeless. I cannot wait to do a review on this, guys. I swatched it on the back of my hand earlier and it just doesn't go anywhere. As in, sana ganito yung performance niya sa actual lips na. Kasi yung Menow, ganito din yung Menow, yung kiss-proof na lipstick. Nung sinwatch ko siya sa back of my hand, sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda. As in, hindi natatanggal pag ginanon mo. Pero nung sa lips ko na bonggang-bonggang tsaka yung Menow. Pero this one, sana, crossing my fingers. And then last thing she sent me is the Menow True Lips Lipliner Pencil. I already filmed the first impression review as well as the swatches for you guys. The first impression review will be up the day after this video is up. So bukas, meron ng first impression review. And then after that, the swatches will be up. Kapag binili mo siya ng isa lang, 40 pesos. Pero kapag bumili ka ng box, 350. That would be 29 nakalimutan ko ng bonggang-bongga. 29.17 each lang kapag binili mo yung isang box. Para sa akin, perfect to sa mga nagsisimula pa lang, yung gusto ng maraming shades ng lipstick. Kasi you can use this as a lipstick. I mean, I use my lip liners as a lipstick. So, diba, 350 is already a price of one lipstick. Tapos, you will get 12 shades na. Though, hindi lahat ng shades dito bongga. Again, stay tuned for my swatches video para malaman nyo kung ano yung mga bet na shades ko and kung ano yung mga hindi. Okay, that's it from Prettyangelshoppe. Oo nga pala, Prettyangelshoppe is already in Cebu. Yung mga display niya is nasa iBoutique sa Park Mall. Park Mall, right? Yeah, Park Mall. So, sa mga taga Cebu na ayaw mag-order online, you can visit iBoutique. Nandun yung mga display ng Prettyangelshoppe. And I highly recommend you guys check it out. Ang gaganda ng mga hair products niya. Tapos yung mga brushes din, I highly recommend. Now, I got some stuff from Kimscollections2015 on Instagram. Meron din siyang Facebook. I will leave her links below. She sent me jewelries, you guys. And look at how cute the plastic is. Wala lang. Gusto ko lang siya. Girly, cute. Ito pa, may heart ng bonggang-bongga. Okay, the first thing is the one I am wearing right now. It's a really cute gold heart necklace. As in, minillion tap ko talaga yung picture nito kasi I was like, I really want that. And then I'm so lucky kasi ito nga yung binigay niya sa akin. I've been wearing this non-stop. Ito na talaga yung lagi kong sinusuot. Hindi naman nangangati yung leeg ko. According to her, her products are stainless, hypoallergenic, tapos gold-plated, mga ganon-ganon. For more information about her products, you guys, again, the links will be below. Ang dami niyang mga bonggang jewelry, tapos sobrang mura lang. I was actually expecting na mahal to, but she told me this is only 280 pesos. And bongga na yan ha, for 280. Dalawang necklace yung binigay niya sa akin eh. Yung isa is an initial necklace. Meron siyang R. I've worn this on some of my videos and it looks like that. I'm not really a big fan of ganito kalaking pendant. Mas bet ko talaga yung mga dainty, yung mga small pendant lang. Pero gusto ko pa rin siya kasi R na bonggang-bongga naman talaga yan. And then, she also gave me a ring, you guys. It looks like this. Hindi ko siya suot ngayon kasi obviously I'm gold ngayon. Well, except for my bracelet. Yung bracelet ko kasi hindi ko na talaga ito hinuhubad kahit naliligo ako. So, nandyan lang siya lagi. I don't care kung hindi siya nagmamatch, pero dyan lang talaga yan. I posted a picture on Instagram, sabi niyo engagement ring. No guys, wala pang engagement na nangyayari, nakakaloka naman kayo. And then, she also sent me this bullet pendant. I've been wanting to get this. Lagi ko ito nakikita sa H&M, Forever 21. And I don't like accessories from Forever 21 kasi nagtatarnish sila ng bonggang-bonggang-bongga talaga. I hate it. And then sa H&M naman, for me, it's way too much. Sobrang overpriced na mga accessories nila. That is so freaking cute. Thank you so much. I really like it. And then the last thing she sent me is a lipstick. Isa tong Replica ng MAC. I'm not really sure from what collection it is. It says satin lipstick. I don't know what shade. Wala siyang shade. Oh, number lang, 23. Pero it's a really kind of like deep plum shade. It looks like that. Nagbebenta din siya ng mga replica makeup. Tapos, according to her, nagbenta din siya ng mga authentic watches like Casio and others, I forgot na. A viewer, Julianne. Hi, Julianne. She messaged me and told me na nahanap niya daw yung cherish na lipstick and gusto niya daw ibigay sa akin. But she ended up sending me way more than that. Ang in-expect ko lang talaga is yung lipstick. Sabi niya naalala niya daw ako nung nakita niya tong shade na to. Actually, available naman siya sa mga Watson, sa SM. Kaya lang, ayaw siyang bilhin ng kapatid ko kasi sabi niya hindi daw to yun. Sabi ko, ito nga yun. Nag-iba lang ng packaging. Now I have it. I will have my sister try it and see if ito talaga yung nahanap niya kasi I'm positive na ito talaga yun. She also gave me this Sasatini Sugary Heart Nail Color. This one is like purple shade and then this one is like an iridescent pink shade. Super, super cute. She also gave me this really freaking cute cupcake lip balm. Thank you so much. And then, binigyan niya din ako nitong Frappuccino na parang charm sa phone. Actually, ilalagay ko na siya sa phone ko ngayon. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking cute. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. It's so cute. Meron pa. She sent me this. Parang mga notepads na sobrang cute din. It looks like that. Marami siyang notepads dyan na ganap. So, this is going to be perfect kapag nag-giveaway ako tapos nag-send ako ng prices para may note naman ako. Kasi wala akong ka-note-note sa mga giveaway prices na pinapadala ko. So this time, meron na ako nito. And then lastly, this I'm really excited about. I thought at first it was a lip gloss. It looks like a lip gloss. Pero hindi pala siya lip gloss. Nabasa ko dito, sabi scented nail polish from freaking Sephora. Wala akong items from Sephora at all. So this is my very first Sephora item. Thank you so much. Plus, it's a nail polish. So you all know, if you've been watching me for a while, na gustong-gusto ko yung nail polish. Ito pa, scented. Bongga. Parang it kind of smells like a regular nail polish to me. Pero siguro kapag nalagay mo na siya sa kuko mo, double-ended tong nail polish na to. Pink yung other end. Tapos yung kabila naman is a really nice gold. Again, thank you so much. You did not have to do that at all, but I really appreciate it. And also, thank you so much to Shirlene sa walang sawang pagpapadala sa akin ng mga products. And also to Kim from Kimscollections2015 on Instagram. Thank you din. And you guys, this channel reached 9,000 freaking subscribers. Can you believe that? Sobrang dami nyo na. As in, saan ba nanggaling yung 9,000 na yan? But thank you so much. As in, sobrang thank you. And that's it for this video. That's it for this haul. Thank you so much guys for watching. Ang daming thank you. Ang daming thank you nitong video na to. Please do like the video if you enjoyed hauls. Subscribe if you're not yet already. I'm doing my best to upload videos every single day for you guys. I hope to see you on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye!